Hi everyone, welcome to Travelzilla. This time around I'm going to show you what my Christmas celebrations looked like in Milan, Italy. The supper, the Christmas day, how we've exchanged gifts with one another. My time with my friends. So, are you ready? Let's go! Almost every day for over a month, I went for a run around the city. Jogging was a big part of this trip here in Milan. And of course I had to go for a run right before our big dinner party, right? And Christmas dinner is when we celebrate the birth of Christ in Brazil. And of course I forgot to get rid of my mask. I was cracking up. We have a big dinner party on December 24th.
Bonito, né?
Where we invite our friends and family members to exchange gifts, so on and so forth.
Hey guys, so here in Milan, I came running all the way from my partner's house, Bruno, who's my business partner, and my friend. Went straight ahead all the way to here, and now I'm gonna run back home. Let's go.
Now let's check out Milan's most beautiful Christmas tree, shall we? The Swarovski Christmas tree in the world-famous Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II shopping center. Let's check it out. Now let's check out the incredible Christmas decorations and the unbelievable window displays at the city's most famous department store, the Rinascente. Now let's check out the Christmas dinner party at Bruno and Du's house, shall we? Let's go. Well, I got Christmas gifts from Bruno, Du, Bruna, and Iago, which I'm thankful for. Thank you very much. Thanks, guys. So now it's time for you to check out a tiny bit of our Secret Santa. Iago was my Secret Santa Claus, and he gave me a really nice gift. Well, I love this sweater, guys. I wanted to wear it every day. So awesome.
Rolou couro, hein?
So I was Jonas's Secret Santa, and I must admit that the gift I gave him was pretty nice. I wanted one just like that for myself, believe me.
Tô com vergonha, viagem não.
Isso é vídeo ou é foto?
É vídeo.
Ah, então eu vou mexer, né? A gente vai ter que trazer a fita pra saber. É profissional, gente. O que mais?
Uma pessoa, mas eu não sei.
E vamos lá, pessoas, difícil, aqueles cavalos que eu já conheço. Proprietário, vou começar a ver. E é claro. Gente, que isso?
Vai, Alice. Vai, cavalo. So now I'm about to go to the mall. It was a very productive day. We went to 3 different panettone shops. Spent quite a lot of money, but it was worth it. What don't I do for you guys?
Ó a bolinha, ó. Nossa,
Now it's time for you to join us on a real good snow fight. Please, come on, let's go.
Filmando a cara do marginal.
Caraca, velho, isso é guerra mundial. Olha as bolinhas que eles estão jogando no outro, é tudo bomba atômica. Olha que absurdo, mano. Gente, isso é guerra mundial, velho. A Kátia arrasada voltando depois de uma guerra de neve. Toda.
Acho que o Luiz já deve ter em casa.
Vocês botei minha foto.
A big shout out to all my people of Italian descent. Well, I'm mostly Portuguese, but I got some Italian as well, maybe a quarter on my dad's side. It's pretty snowy here in northern Italy. It's not that usual for you to have that much snow here in Milan, even though we're so close to Switzerland and Austria. But anyway. Hey guys, so my friend Bruna and I were going to show you what the decorations, the Christmas decorations of course here in Milan look like at night. It's pretty cold. It snowed here in the past few days, which is not that common. So we're going to show it all to you. Let's go. Well, say a word.
Hi guys, come with us, and I know you guys are gonna love all this video, you know, that we're gonna show for you, and I'm so excited.
So hey everyone, here I am with my friend Bruna.
Hi everyone, how are you guys doing?
And what did we do today, Bruna?
So today we walk around Duomo for doing videos for the vitrines, and we go all the way down to Sambabula, and then from there we just passing by to Monte Napoleone for taking pictures and videos, and then right now we are in the tram to go back home.
Exactly, so we've actually passed by the places where we bought panettone a couple of days ago, so don't forget to watch that video about the best panettones here in Milano, the land of the panettone, okay? So check that video out as well.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for staying with me all the way to the end of this video. Don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, share, and subscribe, and also to watch my other videos here in Milan, including the best panettone in Milan, the land of panettone, the Bone Church, the Milan Cemetery, and other Christmas videos in Brazilian cities such as Salvador and Maceió, which look amazing with incredible drone shots, and also Lisbon, the beautiful capital of Portugal and one of my ancestral cities. So check out my other videos. See you in my other videos. Bye bye guys, thank you so much. Bye bye, Merry Christmas.